Come again? Hello everybody, thanks for coming over here. Good to see you all. Nice and mellow. Had a lot of fun earlier freaking out with you guys. Now it's time to kick back and relax a little bit. The sun's gone down. My name is DeVore. I sing with the band Authority Zero. And it's good to see you all, friends. Enjoy your time, enjoy the music. This song is called When We Rule the World. 1, 2, 3, 4. Away from here, listen sweetly and hear everything so clear. I say we go in love, now tell me what do you say? I think it's time we move on from here. What possibly? Let's change our rights. We're all kings of the world, aren't we? Aren't we? We don't walk down these streets anymore. We don't feel the same way we had before. So rock yourself to sleep and call on me when we rule the world. Life. Is there something I've been missing? It seems I think we both know what needs done here. Oh, I feel our empire is building as the rocks fall around. I hear it calling my name, but I can never be found. Let's change our rights. We're all kings of the world, aren't we? Aren't we? Aren't we? 'Cause we don't walk down these streets anymore. We don't think the same way we had before. So rock yourself to sleep and call on me when we rule the world. Are we all waiting? Are we now? But something to save us from ourselves. Are we creating this distance somehow? Are we waiting now? 'Cause we don't walk down these streets anymore. We don't feel the same way we had before. So rock yourself to sleep and call on me when we rule the world. We don't walk down these streets anymore. We don't feel the same way we had before. So rock yourself to sleep and call on me when we rule the world. We don't walk down these streets anymore. We don't feel the same way we had before. So rock yourself to sleep and call on me when we rule the world. Yeah, on me when we rule.